Okay, train is coming, right? I got a 390 excavator. I am 21 feet away, and I gotta pick up the container. 390 feet away. So, 390 feet away, my stretch boom. I gotta have a boom, not the elbow, just from the excavator out. Gotta be 26 feet. I gotta keep the arm straight down to pick up. Now, I can't be no more than 26 feet away to pick it up. I pick it up, swing around, drop it on a truck or a flatbed. Have my loader operator pull the train again. Pick up, hook up to it, pick up, swing around, drop it on another flatbed. Alright? That's what I'm looking at now. I don't got much battery life. I'm okay, Allah. I'm not in danger. I'm not in danger. But I'm looking at me working it. Okay? Me working it. Perfect timing. 390, I need a 390 excavator. I need a 390 excavator at my facility that's going to work freight forwarding. All right. Now my boom has to be, or I just get the elbow. I take off the part, just keep the elbow to pick up. Just to pick up. Just to pick up. I think I got it. It's a long train too. I gotta watch both ways. So now I'm on my excavator. May say hello to the guy. Baltimore, Ohio. Alright. Now you see how high this train is? See how high this train is? I gotta pick it up. Not this far. Not this car. I'm not going to deal with these cars. No. This is more like farming. No. Alright. This is the cars I'm going to deal with. Here. Boxcar. Alright. Boxcar. I need this. I'm not too concerned about this. I need this. Definitely this one. This size. Definitely that size. That's okay. No. Yes. I'm not there yet. I'm not there with asphalt. Yes. My 390 excavator can handle that. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. That's probably farming. No. Ain't nothing with that. I need you. excavator can handle you, handle the wood. I can handle the wood. I can handle that, I can handle that. I can handle that 390 excavator. I can handle that 390, I can handle that. I can handle that. No problem, no problem. No problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. Oh, that is the problem. Alright? It's too long for a standard flatbed. So I need extended flatbed. I got it. 390 excavator, I got it. Alright, you gonna lift up? I got everything I need. 390 excavator. Peace.